In a quiet city apartment, a graphic artist discovers an odd reflex rising with no warning. Whenever bright sunlight strikes the screen, a sudden sneeze storm erupts, not from irritation but from a quirky genetic trigger. The reaction is consistent yet mysterious, bypassing thought, tugging the head down, then scattering papers and coffee across the desk. Doctors label it a photic sneeze reflex, a harmless but puzzling crossfire between optic nerves and the nasal mucosa. He learns to anticipate it, sketching around the moment, turning the surprise into art rather than frustration.